Editor-in-Chief 2011-2012 of the Weavers and VHS official school paper, a member of Red Care Group and Junior Computer Club. First place editorial writing, Division Secondary Schools, Press Conference. Second place investigatory project individual category, district level. Second place inter-quiz school competition. Second place Pinoy medley, inter-school competition. First place Amazing Race and Caroline Knight division level. Second place cheering making competition division level. And third place interpretive dance division level. At the University of the Philippines College admission test passer school year 2011-2012. Dara believes that happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. And she dreams to be a teacher someday.
We also would like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Adrian Dapa and Councilor Shalani Solidar, and now the Deputy.
Dara receives a medal from DNHS, a medal from Mayor Wing Cholian, Mayor Valenzuela City, Best in English, Excellence Award from University of the East, Excellence in Science Award from Rotary Club, Best in Science Award from University of the East, a gift from the Honorable Lori Natividad Borja, a check worth 1,000 from Mayor Wing Cholian, a gift from Congressman Javi Benigundo, a gift from Councilor Shalani Solidar, a gift from Honorable Cecil B. Noyo, a certificate of recognition and a gift from Councilor Lai Velasco, a gift from former Councilor Rodlo Esteban, a gift certificate from Vice Mayor Eric Martinez, and a gift from the office of the Honorable Councilor Adrian Dapa, a gift from the office of the Honorable Councilor Kay Juan. Once again,
July 30, 1996. His hard-working parents are Ramon Arcega and Mary Grace Mejia. He's fond of writing stories and reading books, a consistent honor student. First placer Amazing Race and Caroline Knight Red Cross Youth Camp 2011 Division level. Second placer Cheering Making Contest RCUY Camp 2011 Division level. Second placer Essay Writing Contest with a theme Estatistika Tungkol sa Pagpapaulad ng Lipunan Division level. Second placer, Interpretative Dance RCAY Cup 2011 Division level. Fourth placer, Business Planning Step Skills Competition Division level. Eighth placer, Division Secondary Schools Press Conference Pagsulat ng Lathalain Division level. Participants, Regional Secondary Schools Press Conference held in Pasig City. First year and third year best in science and technology. Second year best in Aralin Palilipunan. Third placer, Balagtasan Contest with a theme, Wika, Tulay ng Mustisya, Division level. The young man who dreams to be a certified public accountant. And he believes in this. Destiny is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. Ryan received a medal from Valenzuela National High School, a medal from the city government of Valenzuela, a gift from Councilor Lori Natividad, a gift from Councilor Shalani Solidad Romulo, a gift from Congressman Manny Benigundo I, a check worth 1,000 pesos from Mayor Win Gatchalian, a certificate of recognition and a gift from Councilor Lai Velasco, a gift from Councilor Lodlo Esteban, SM gift certificates from Vice Mayor Eric Martinez, a gift from the office of the Honorable Councilor Adrian Dapa, and a gift from the office of Honorable Councilor Kay Dala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Ryan Mejia Arcega, our first honorable mention.
September 16, 1995. His loving parents are Georgie Natablo and Candelaria Saplayo. A consistent honor student and best in math from first 4th year, a math club president for school year 2011-2012, and senior Red Cross Youth Auditor 2011-2012. First place Amazing Race and Carol Guide Division level, second place Cheering Making Competition Division level, and third place Interpretive Dance Division level. Jello believes that yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why we call it present. And it lives to be a successful engineer someday. Jello receives a medal from the school, Valenzuela National High School, a silver medal from the city government of Valenzuela, an honorable Mayor Gatchalian, Best in Mathematics Excellence Award from the University of the East, Excellence in Mathematics Award from Mercury Drug, a gift from Councilor Lori Natividad, a gift from Councilor Shanani Soledad Romulo, a check worth 2,000 from Mayor Wing Gatchalian, a gift from Congressman Maggie Gunibundu first, a certificate of recognition and a gift from Councilor Lai Velasco, a gift from former Councilor Logot Esteban, a gift certificate from Vice Mayor Eric Martinez, gift from the office of the Honorable Councilor Adrian Damat, and a gift from the office of the Honorable Councilor Kate Gala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Jello Saplaya Natavio, class salutatorian.
We also would like to acknowledge the presence of our former Councilor, Logot Esteban. Abigail Rafael Pati, our class valedictorian. Abigail, or Abby, as well, her friends call her, was born on July 30, 1995. Her parents are Emiliano Pati Jr. and May Rafael. The multi-talented young lady, where she can dance, sing, act, and play musical instruments. A consistent honor student. First placer, Amazing Race in Carol Knight RC World Cup 2011 Division 11. Second placer, Cheering Making Contest RC World Cup 2011 Division 11. Second placer, Taguisaron Talino 2011. Second placer, Dish Gardening Competition Division 11. Delegate Red Cross Youth Valenzuela City Chapter in the 17th National Youth Congress held in Maramat, Bukidnon. The Weavers Sports Writer. Participants Regional Secondary Schools Press Conference. The young lady who says, dream big, think big. And she dreams to be a doctor someday. Abigail, our valedictorian, receives the following: a gold medal from Valenzuela National High School, gold medal from Honorable Sherwin T. Gatchalian, City Mayor, a gold medal for academic excellence from the Philippine Senate, Vice Presidential Award from Excellence, Honorable Jejo Marcy Binay, Vice President, a check worth 3,000 from Mayor Sherwin Gatchalian, a gift from Councilor Lori Natividad Borja, a gift from Councilor Shalani Soledad Romulo, a gift from Congressman Maggie Gunibundu I, a gift from Councilor Cecil V. Mayo, a certificate of recognition and a gift from Councilor Lai Velasco, a gift from former Councilor Logot Esteban, SM gift certificates from Vice Mayor Eric Martinez, gift from the office of Honorable Councilor Adrian Dapat, gift from Kagawad Ludi Alonso for Academic Excellence Award, gift from the office of Honorable Councilor Kate Gala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Abigail Rafael Pati, our class valedictorian. All our honor students condolence also received from SK Chairman Gerard Galang and Councilor Martel Soledad.
Education Supervisor, our distinguished guests, with Dr. Margarito B. Matero, our school principal, Mr. Eddie Leonarte, assistant to the principal, department heads, coordinators, teachers, parents, schoolmates, classmates, and friends. Good morning. Life is really a long journey, and this is the turning point of our lives where we receive the fruit of our sacrifices, hardships, and efforts, and make big decisions. This fruit cannot be achieved without the help and guidance of other people. Let me acknowledge those people who have big contribution and part of my unforgettable high school life. First of all, thank you for the Lord for giving me wisdom and guidance. Without Him, I can do nothing. I am nothing. My loving parents, my hardworking teachers, my classmates, and friends. As we bid goodbye to our alma mater, let us recall those inspiring people who developed our whole human being, discovered and enhanced our different attitudes and interests, and equip us with skills for productive endeavor. We started as freshmen and met different faces with different personalities. At first, we are just silent and simple students. But now, I can see that all of us are now students with powerful mind, passionate heart, and with a big vision for our future. Graduation is not the end. It is just the beginning of the true battle in our life. We will meet new people, make new friends, and encounter more difficult challenges that will help us to be more responsible, more passionate, independent, and victorious persons. As we walk on the ladder of success, we'll meet challenges that will make us better persons. Triumph always finds its way. It is high time for us to change our outlook in life, for this is essential in changing our attitude. Think positive. Be positive. With such an attitude, we can have a better future. Complacency will be eliminated. Despair will be discouraged. As students, we are writing our own book. Thus, our life can be the best seller book as the readers notice the good testimonies written about us. The story begins when we learn and never stop learning to gain wisdom. People face the book of their own life. Thus, hold your pens, write the best storylines, and live life to the fullest. The Bible tells us that people perish without vision. It is significant for us to see ourselves the day after tomorrow. Press on toward our goals in our life. Be determined, be motivated, and be strong. Remember that there is always hope in the midst of hopelessness. To each and every one of us, may God guide us in our successful journey towards our future. Good luck, thank you, God bless, and congratulations.
Thank you, Abby. And again, congratulations.
Gusto ko lang pong batiin si Kong Maggie sa principal natin, kay Dr. Matero, sa lahat po ng haligi ng edukasyon dito sa ating city, sa Valenzuela City, sa mga kasama kong konsyal, sa mga kasama kong magiging konsyal, sa mga kagawad na nandito po. Good morning. Siyempre, good morning po sa mga magulang na excited at sa mga, siyempre, sa mga gagraduate sa atin. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. ibabati ko lang po si Mayor Sherwin at saka si Vice Eric. Kasi po si Mayor nasa kabilang eskwela natin. Simple lang naman po ang aking sasabihin. Tuwing meron pong graduation, kung ano po yung pinangaral sa akin ng magulang ko, yun lang po ulit yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Na sinasabi ko po na, I'm sure sa mga magulang, sinabi po ito ng magulang ninyo, nasasabihin din itong mga batang ito sa mga magiging anak nila. Konti na lang. This is, let's say, another 4 years. 4 years na lang na paghihirap, pagtitipid para po matapos ang pag-aaral ng mga ating anak. So, sana po sa mga magulang, pagsikapin na po natin. Pagsikapin na natin kahit medyo mahirap yung buhay ngayon. 4 na taon na lang eh. Sinabi po ng magulang ninyo dati na, anak, yung pag-aaral mo, yun yung pinaka-importanting pamana na ibibigay ko sa'yo. So sana po, masabi rin nila. Kasi po pag natapos mag-aaral ng mga batang to, yun rin po ang sasabihin nila sa kanilang mga anak. So, tandaan po natin yung pamana natin na edukasyon. Ito po yung pinakamahalaga, pinaka-importanting sandata sa buhay. So muli po, ang inyong konsehal sa Leader dapat kasama po ni Mayor Sherwin, kasama po ni Vice Eric, kasama po ng ating mga konsehal na kasama ngayon sa Kaligong Magi. Babati na rin po ako kasi may STI dyan. Meron po akong scholarship sa STI. So just in case meron kung gusto mag-aral, pwede po kayong magpunta sa opisina ko pagka nagustuhan nyo mag-STI. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayo.
May we have Honorable Magtanggol T. Gulugundo I, Congressman District 2, Valenzuela City.
Maraming salamat sa ating Dr. Margarito Matarung, sa lahat ng ating mga kasama sa Department of Education, kay Ginoong Edwin Valera, kay Nina Rosalie Carlos, kay Dr. Virginia Alacon, kay Dr. Henry Sumbilio, at kay Ginoong Arnel Aro. Sa lahat ng ating mga kasama naglilingkod sa lokal na pamahalaan, sa pangunguna ni Konsehala Shalani Soledad Romulo, kay Konsehala Lori Natividad Borja, kay Konsehal Cecil V. Mayo, Konsehal Lai Puno Nolasco, kay Konsehal Adrian Concepcion Dapat, kay Kagawad Luli Alonso, kay kay Kagawad Martel Solidad ng Karuhatan. Siyempre, yung aking anak, si dating Konsehal at napalit na Konsehal, Dr. Esteban Caico, sa lahat ng mga magulang, mga guro, mga miyembro ng Batch 2012 Valenzuela National High School, na ibang nabigat tayo namin, Diyos marhay na aldaw sa itong nabos, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Good morning, Batch 2012. Happy ba kayo? Super happy! Ayan! Yan naman ang purpose natin eh. Maging happy tayo. At ako'y masaya para sa inyo sapagkat naka-4 na taon kayo dito sa Valenzuela National High School at ngayong araw tinutuntukan ang inyong pagiging estudyante ng Valenzuela National High School. Ano ibig sabihin po nun? Bukas, pagbalik nyo dito sa ating paaralan, hindi na kayo estudyante ng Valenzuela National High School. Kahit na si Abigail Party na valedictorian, hindi na pwede mag-enroll sa Valenzuela National High School. Bakit? Kasi graduate na kayo. At ano ang ebidensya ninyo na kayo graduate na? Taas ko na, ang hingin ebidensya. Yan! Okay. Ano ang ibig sabihin niya? Na meron na kayong diploma. Hindi na kayo pwedeng pakutin ng teacher niyo. Hindi na kayo pwedeng utos-utusan ng teacher niyo. Tama? Ay, pero, dahil naging guro niyo sila, dapat igagalang niyo pa rin sila. Dahil sila ay naging bahagi ng buhay niyo dito sa Valenzuela National High School. Tama? Ay, ngayon, alam niyo, nung ako ay high school student, 1981 ako graduate. At kung aral,